Hello. Well, you don't have to guess where I am today. You can immediately see that I'm in a churchyard, and in fact I'm in the churchyard of St Michael and All Angels, beautiful church in Felton, and a really nice churchyard combining that mix of allowing the wildflowers to grow where it's appropriate and having nice mown areas, paths in between, so that one can access the churchyard itself. And some churchyards, of course, are mown to within an inch of a grass's life. It's not what we do in Felton. It's much more nature friendly than that. And one of the lovely plants that grows here is Woodruff, and it's just down here in front of me. So this is Woodruff, Gallium odoratum. In old botany books it used to be called Asperula instead of Gallium, but it's in the genus Gallium now. We've seen some previous films. They all share the same characters. They all have small flowers, smallish flowers with 4 petals and leaves in a whorl, and this one, Woodruff, has maybe 6 or 8 leaves with little sharp points on the end, and for a Gallium, quite large flowers. They're maybe 8 millimeters across, 4 white petals on a long tube, and the tube is about as long as the petals are, so it's quite a lengthy tube, and they're quite large and they stand out really well. In the spring the flowers are this light green colour. They go slightly darker as the season wears on, but they really stand out in the spring, and it's a lovely carpet of white colour in woodlands. And Gallium as a genus individual species do have particular preferences. There's one that grows in marshes. In fact there are 2. You'll know that this one is a woodland specialist, woodland and the bottoms of hedgerows, and some others like very basic soil, ladies' bed straw for example, which is our yellow one. It's called odoratum because although it doesn't smell much when it's fresh, when it's dried it smells of new mown hay. It's rather nice. And it was used in the Middle Ages to stuff mattresses and to strew floors and stuff pillows, in fact stuff anything probably, and it has that lovely fresh feel to the scent. So that's why it was called odoratum. And the word Gallium comes from the Greek for milk, gala, and it was used, well not this plant, but one of the Galliums was used to strain the hair out of sheep's milk. Seems a really strange thing to do, but that's what they used it for. And I am told, although I haven't tried this, and so it comes with a word of warning, I am told that the flowers, if you collect enough of them and dry them, make a very delicious tea. Perhaps we might give that a whirl sometime, but you didn't take it from me. I haven't done that. So it grows under hedge banks, it grows in shady parts of woods, and here it's under a huge laurel bush in a beautiful churchyard at Felton. So this is Woodruff, Gallium odoratum.